Today I'm going to show you juicy and tasty mutton keema momos. Making this momos is very easy and it's very tasty too. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special lamb momos. First we'll prepare dough for our momos. Take 100 ml of water in a mixing bowl. Add salt to taste. In this, add 250 grams of all-purpose flour. Now mix it to form a dough. When dough is ready, cover with damp cloth and rest it for 30 minutes. Until that, we'll prepare our lamb stuffing. For this recipe, I'm using 100 grams of lamb fat and 200 grams of boneless lamb meat. Cut them into very small size pieces. Try not to skip the lamb fat. This fat will make juicy and tasty. After cutting, drop the meat in a mixing bowl and take 2 medium-sized onions and chop them finely. After chopping, add them to meat. Now take small bunch of coriander, chop and add to the meat. Now we'll add some spices. Add salt to taste, half teaspoon of coriander seeds powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now mix all the ingredients well. Now keep this bowl aside and take the dough. Cut the dough into 4 equal parts. Make each part into a round ball shape. Now take one dough ball and cover the rest with damp cloth. Dust the floor, place the dough ball and roll it to a thin flat sheet. If you roll as I am showing, sheet will become very thin. After rolling, dust the surface and cut into 3-inch size square pieces. Here I'm folding to make cutting easy and to get uniform size. Now on each sheet place 1 spoon of mutton mixture. Now fold and seal as I am showing. You can fold in any comfortable shape. After folding, place them in a momos maker. Apply oil inside the momos maker or dip the bottom of each momos to the oil so that momos will not stick to the surface. Now cook for 45 minutes on a medium flame. After 45 minutes, our momos are ready. Serve them with mayonnaise or ketchup. Try this momos. I'm sure you'll enjoy.